Hey my Skysavers, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Kim and this is a World of Sky, a world for women and moms who talk all things money, saving money, making money, and managing your money. And today, you guys, we are talking all about stockpiling. Alright, so you know I'm all about stockpiling. I have several different videos on my channel about stockpiling, what to stockpile first, stockpile organization, stockpiling mistakes. Okay, lots of stockpiling stuff. So I will leave my couponing playlist linked here so you can check that out if you're interested. But in this video, we're going to talk about stockpiling tips and how to build a stockpile. Before we get into the video, if you have not done so already, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Trust me girl, your purse, your wallet, and your bank account will thank you. Okay, so the first tip is to stock up on things that are under $1. Right now with inflation and how expensive everything is, if you find something under $1, you want to snatch it up. Now, this could apply for items with coupons, but sometimes stores run promotions and it will result in the item being under $1. If you see that, grab it, stock up, add it to your stockpile. The second thing is when you find a money maker with your coupons, stock up. For those of you that are not familiar with what a money maker is, it is when you get money back for using your coupon. So let's say that you bought some laundry detergent. So let's say that it was on sale for $2, but you actually had a coupon for $3 off. Plus there was a rebate offer of $1 back. So that would make it a $2 money maker for you, okay? Because it was only $2, but you had $4 in coupons. So you made $2 from buying that laundry detergent. So essentially you're getting paid to purchase that item. So when this happens, stock up, honey. If you're interested in learning more in depth of how to snag money makers, I do offer an online self-paced course that will teach you everything that you need to know. I'll leave the link in the description box if you're interested. The third tip is to stock up on freebies when you can. I mean, as the name indicates, they are free, okay? So it's literally not costing you anything except for tax to grab these items and add them to your stockpile. Now, when there are freebies, you gotta get on out there. You gotta get out there early in the week, okay? Because everyone else is also trying to snag these freebies. So go earlier in the week as opposed to going later in the week if you are looking to get the free items. Comment freebie down below if free is for you. Now, let's talk a little bit about different types or categories of products. Diapers and wipes. You'll often find coupons for Loves, Huggies, and Pampers. With these, you can plan ahead, okay? You can stock up on diapers because you know you're going to need them. Same with wipes. There will be coupons for those too. With diapers, you'll often end up paying under $4 a pack if you stack a manufacturer coupon with a store promotion. The drugstore, so your Walgreens, your Rite Aid, your CVS's can be a really good place to do this. But also Target, because Target often has their promotion where if you spend $50 in baby products, you'll get a $10 gift card. Or if you spend $100, you will get a $20 gift card. Sometimes it's a $30 gift card back. So you use that, plus you use your coupons on those diapers. So you can see some really big savings. Now, let's talk about personal care products. So I'm talking body wash, shampoo, soap, deodorant, stuff like that. Some brands include Garnier Fructis, Olay, Dove, Tresemme. When you see stuff like that for under $1, you are going to want to grab those items. Oftentimes you may be able to snag some shampoos and some body washes for like 50 cents or 75 cents. So stock up at that time. Stock up if that is something that you need. If it's over $1 and you don't need it at that moment, I would suggest just waiting until a better promotion comes up that you can then stack a coupon with. Alright, so now let's discuss canned goods. There are all types of coupons for canned goods. Things like soups, fruits, veggies, and they're all from brand name companies. You'll want to stock up on canned goods when you can get them for like around 50 cents a can. And lastly in this video, let's talk about makeup items. This one right here is golden, you guys. This is golden. You can find coupons for L'Oreal, CoverGirl, Maybelline, Rimmel, a lot of those different drugstore brands, okay? You're not gonna find any coupons for the high-end makeup, but definitely some of the brands that are at the drugstore, you can find some really, really awesome high-value coupons for. And if you're shopping at the drugstores, your CVS, your Walgreens, your Rite Aids, they're always offering promotions on makeup, and then you can use your coupons on top of the promotions that they're having. And then you can also use a rebate app offer, okay? So oftentimes using all of that can make your makeup items very, very cheap or free. You're welcome. Okay, so we've talked about what to stockpile and when to stockpile certain items. Don't forget, the most important thing is that you plan out your trip before you head to the store. That way you ain't messing up and spending more money than you intended, okay? Don't forget, I have several other videos on my channel about stockpiling. Check them out. They are good, they are helpful, straight to the point, and will help you build a stockpile. Before you go, girl, before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you do not miss any future uploads from me. I do upload new videos every single weekend pertaining to saving money, making money, or managing your money. That is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Happy saving!